What up, YouTube? It's your boy Hootie again. Finna review this red dot I got off Amazon. It just say perfect red dot on it. Alright, let's get into it. So, it came with the red dot, but I bought it because it came with a pair of, I guess, 45-degree offset flip pop-up sights, flip sights, however you say that. Nice. So we can get this here. Can you see that? It's nice. It's not bad at all. Like I said, it came with these also. Got all this off Amazon. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do this. With these, and I guess they sit like off to the side. So you have your red dot up tight, then you cat a corner and you look down your next set. Which is pretty cool. You put them on your rail, they sit right out to the side. So if you turn it, say you gotta go around a corner or anything, you right there. Pretty cool for the price. Yeah, I like it a lot. I like it a whole lot. It also goes to green. You'll see that dot in there. Oh yeah. Nice for the price. Hey doggy. I like it.